pop that thing off. You work today? Huh? Fucking, your ugly little... Your fire thing. That is just driving me insane. Yeah, I know.
You can open it up if you want.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, go ahead.
Very nice.
Thanks.
Something you definitely don't see every day. Oh, this is cool. Oh, nice owner.
So, Swiss Army radio command car.
Wow, so this was their desk area here.
Map car, command car, yeah.
It's very cool. The name of it sounds German, isn't it?
Pinzgauer, Swiss, yeah.
What does it have for power?
4-cylinder, air-cooled.
Volkswagen?
Right there. Yeah, like a Volkswagen.
Oh, that's cool. When I first saw it, I thought it was like a very early Unimog. So probably, right?
It's same, yeah. A lot
Same
like
design?
the lot like the Unimogs, right? Yeah.
Very cool.
Unimog's bigger. It's like the US version of a deuce and a half, right?
That's nice. There you go.
It's got fully 4-wheel articulated drive.
Wow.
High-low. Go up a 45-degree incline, traverse 30 degrees.
That's cool. Is it a portal axles or a differential?
It's got differential.
Okay. That's cool. Very nice ride, man.
Thanks.
You drive it every day?
I drive it every weekend.